Alright, this video comes sort of by request from a friend. Basically what happened is he sent me a recording of some of his guitar playing, which is very good, and there are some annoying clicks that got in, probably because of some audio conversion error. We're trying to figure it out, if it's his interface or his computer or what it is. But in any case, the recording is good, so you don't want a little stupid glitch, screw up a whole take. So let me play you what I'm talking about. See that little pop? Go back so you can hear. It's a little pop in the audio that is screwing up an otherwise good take. And if we zoom in, I put a little locator here just to mark it. You can see it. It's just a little bit of something went wrong. It looks like some kind of sample rate problem. You can see, where it just got funky. And I found another one in here. Same thing here. This locator. If we zoom all the way in, same kind of shape, and guess what? If we play it, it sounds the same. So not great. So there's two ways you can go about getting rid of these. One costs no money and takes a little bit more time, and the other one costs a little money and will save you a lot of time. So here's the free version. Right? You're just gonna highlight this, cut it out, and delete it. Right? Now we have a little gap, which isn't great. So what I'm going to do to fill that gap is just take a chunk of audio, copy paste, and do some gentle crossfading just to blend it together so we don't hear. Oh, see how if I crossfade it sneaks back its way back in? We don't want that. So let me just do this and play it in context so we can see if it got it or not. Sounds okay to me. Yeah, okay. So that's one way to do it, is you basically just, since it's such a tiny, tiny slice, you can just delete it and use some other audio to fill it in, smooth it out with crossfading, and nobody will ever know it was there. Let me go to the other one, and I'll show you. Oh, where's the other one? Right here. So here's the paid version. This is iZotope's RX7 D-Click. It's on sale right now. You can get it with, they're doing some bundle thing where you can get this and a bunch of other stuff for like $50. I think normally this plugin is around like 100 or 120 bucks. This is I have the RX Elements suite. I should get the crazy, if I get like a denoising job, I'll probably get the crazy spectral repair thing. But anyway, this will get it. All you have to do is turn it on, right? So let's see, let's play it. Here's once without. No, let's just turn it on. I haven't even touched any of the settings. Done. Got it. Turn it off. Oh, it's back. Turn it on. And it's gone. So, I wouldn't even be surprised if this plugin is doing what I just showed you, but in like an automated way under the hood. So anyway, super common problem that people ask me about. This take is now probably going to be usable, which is awesome. So if you're having any other weird audio issues or how you would repair certain kinds of problems, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to help you make more of these videos. Of course, like and subscribe. That helps me get the word out about these things. And if you want to hear what kind of music I make, what I do with these tools, there's links in the description. Peace!